2, 1. Where is my camera? Wait a second. I think I seen it. Right there. Darn. Hey y'all. I'm gonna be showing you how to get basically infinite I forgot. Infinite research points. Well, it's basically infinite. So you're gonna need a backpack and a rocket launcher. And put these two in here. And grab it. You're gonna need to buy 2. Put them in your backpack. Well, you don't have to put them in your backpack, but I do since I have a camera. You're gonna want to go to that building over there. Let me try if I could do it with just one rocket. I'm not gonna be able to. Or easier ways to go up here with one rocket. No, I'm going. I'm leaving, bro. I'm joking. Yeah,
GG65?
Hold up, my friend isn't here, guys.
No, GG65?
Hold up, guys. I put the camera here.
GG65!
Yeah, I'm filming a video.
Oh. Can I join?
Yeah. Sure.
Alright.
Okay. Then he's gonna join.
What
I'm
is he
teaching
gonna
him
start?
how to get to the to the space map.
Yo, look what I got. I just got it today.
Oh, that's sick. I had that already.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
But I didn't really need it. I just got it. Wait, these don't do anything no more, bro. They don't even make you fast anymore, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that like...
Guys, this might be glitched though, but it's fine. Okay, guys.
Yo.
Oh, shoot, it's glitching. I think. Oh shoot, glitch! Hey guys. I'm gonna do it without him. I can't. Okay. You see those lines right there? We're gonna be glitching to there. You're gonna need a grappler for this, too. Let's go. Okay. Since you're in the lines where you're gonna need grappler too for this part. Oh shoot! See what I mean? Okay, and then you're gonna want to go up here on top of this purple thing, or the purple earth. And you see that? Where did my camera just go? Okay, now when you're in that purple earth, right there, you're gonna need, oh shoot, that's where the RPG comes in handy. And then you get coins. And then, how much did I got 5, I could unlock the RPG. Since you have research points now, you could disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect it back to their all gonna spawn there. But you're gonna need RPG ammo. Oh yeah. Bye guys. And that's how you get research points.